In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add custom supports in Bambu Studio Slicer. The first thing that you want to do is to finish your 3D model. So in my case, I have this cute dragon on my plate. To get started, you just want to click on it. And from here, you simply want to navigate through the subcategories, and then you want to enable the support option. In here, the default one is going to be tree automatic. You simply want to click on it and select either one of the normal manual or the tree manual. In my case, I'm going to be selecting the tree manual. From there, to finally add your custom support, just click on the custom painter right here, which is going to be this specific button. You can also press the L button, so it will take you to the shortcut immediately. Now we have two functionalities inside the custom support. We have the support blocker and we have the custom support. So I'm going to be applying to the support areas on the wings right here. To do that, just left click on your mouse and it will automatically apply it onto your 3D model. Of course, you can adjust the pen size the way you want to. So in my case, I'm going to be placing my own custom supports to this parts right here. I'm also going to be putting it on the tail. Now, the other functionalities that I've mentioned is going to be the support blockers. To use that, you simply want to right click on your design and then it will highlight it into this dark zone right here. So if you click on the preview button, it will now apply the custom support and the support blockers. As you can see right here, it applied some supports onto the wings itself, onto the tail, and it avoided the head area. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.